Welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Friencine, and on this channel, we talk about personal finances, whether that is creating a budget, getting out of debt, or saving for a better future. So, this video is going to be a savings challenge stuffing video. We are going to stuff my savings challenges, and yeah, but before I do that, I have to actually divide this money. I have to divide this money so that we can see what money is actually left over, because some of this money is refund check and the rest is cash savings challenge. So let's go. Okay. All right. This is what we're working with. This is refund check. We are going to put this back into my envelope until it is time for a refund stuffing. I honestly do not even need all of this. Bring it back to old school. This is what we're working with. This is what we're going to use. Let's bring out my handy dandy cash savings challenge envelope. It's a cute little thing. We are going to start off with, oh wait, no. Remember we had money left over? Yes, we had money left over, and I definitely have money in my wallet / bag. So I'll be right back. So if you're wondering what is going on, she just had some money. She just had a lot of money, and now we only have a few dollars, and she's looking for stuff in her wallet. So the way I do savings challenge is it's very different. Sometimes I do allocate it from paychecks, and sometimes, majority of the time, it is from leftover money. I'm going to say this again. Sometimes, majority of the time, it is from leftover money. Money that I would have just spent anywhere. So there is a portion of the money that I did allocate from my check. And then we are just going to use money that was left over. I did have money left over from, what do you call that? I did have some money like from gas that I had. I had like a $5 bill. But when I went to go pick up his cake, and the way that those people treated me, I decided to just dump it into the tip jar. So no regrets there. They were so sweet, and they just opened up that location. It was like, oh yes, I can't wait. It's kind of closer to me. In a sense, it's not really closer. Like, it's the same distance from the other place, but I like that place because it's a bigger shopping market, and that's where my grocery shop is. My grocery store is, and normally I deliver my grocery store. So maybe when he wants to get some ice cream treats, I could persuade him to let's go grocery shopping instead of delivering it. Even though delivering food can be amazing, but it does add up. Okay, enough of my rambling. So this is what we have working. We have some 20s, we have some 5s, and we have some 10s. We have some 1s. Whew. Imagine if that was 10. So we are going to start with this big boy. Let's see how much we have here. This is my 15. What's this? Ooh, this is why we don't do challenges with no name. Because what is this? That's the nickel challenge. Yes, that is. Whew. Okay, let's see how much is this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that was the first 84. Let's get a little closer. Up close and personal. So we did the first installation of 85. This is my 1K in 12 weeks. I am so thankful that I just replenished my 1K savings emergency fund through instant not instant enrollment, direct deposit. Direct deposit. I direct deposit at least 2000. Woo, child. My first graders would be so mad at me, like 2000s. 2000s. No. I deposit every paycheck $200 into my savings account. So that's money I do not see. It goes straight to my savings account. That has helped me a lot. My goal is to not touch it unless it is an extreme emergency. So now that account is at $1,000. 100. Ooh, when you say teacher brains are like done after the workday, it's done after the workday. Like we just don't be making sense. All right. So yes. The first installment of $84 is done. Now we're going to do the next installment, which is 20s. 2, 4, 6, 8. A 2. And another $2. Ooh. Put that all together. We should have 168. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we do. We have 168. Saving a lot with just saving little by little. All right. Then we are going to do, what are we going to do, Francine? What are we going to do? We are going to do we're going to put this aside. We'll revisit this soon. We are going to do the 100 envelope challenge. And let's see if I can afford it. $11. 11. Yes, I think I have $11. Let's see. 1, 5, 10. 11. $11. Yes, so we have $11. That is done. So let's see what we have left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We still got $30. 30, 35, 40, 45. So that's how much we have left. Let's see if we can make a good run with Savopoly. Okay, we are back. So I'm going to go on Google because I don't feel like finding my dice. And we are going to roll a dice. It is going to be, let me see, 6. Okay. So we are going to roll a dice. Roll. What is the number? 5. The last time we did this, we was at 47. So let's see, what's 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 65. Ain't happening. Great. We'll roll again. Roll again. Okay. We rolled a 3. Last time we was here, it was at we was at 47. So 1, 2, 3. We have $38. $38 is what we are going to stuff. So let's start counting. So 5, 10, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15, that's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That is 30. That's 38. That is $38. We're going to count that again. 15, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So that's how much we are stuffing for Saveopoly. Bring my binder back in. 37 is how much we have. Ooh, this dollar is broken. It's okay. It's not broken. It's just needs repair. 38, 39, 40, 40, 2, 4, 6, 8. So we have $85 in Saveopoly currently. So that is awesome. That is awesome. So that is awesome. Let's see what we have left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. Do we have 7 in here? Because I'll just plop it into 7. We actually do. 7. I like to put a check next to it before I seal it. Let me seal it. All right, they are both sealed, closed. So we stuff 11, 7, $18 for this go round, which is good because normally my goal is to only stuff one envelope from the $100 envelope challenge. Because what we do is I stuff one every paycheck. He'll stuff one. He'll try to stuff one every paycheck. But our goal is 2 a month per person. So that's 4 envelopes. So let's do the math. So we have 100 envelopes, and if we stuff 4 envelopes, so that's divided by 4, we'll be done in 24 months. But if we stuff 2 envelopes per paycheck, which is 2 envelopes per paycheck, which is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So 100 divided by 8 will be done in a year's time. So that is good news. This is a slow simmering challenge that we're going to get there, and it's going to be so gratifying to see how much money we save. Because I think the total amount for the $100 savings is $5,000. And that can go towards a house down payment. Granted, we all know houses cost more than $5,000, but it is a start on top of what we are already saving for a house. So now it is time to add the 2 here. So far from, what is this? January and the first paycheck of February, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 envelopes. 14 envelopes. So that is 100 minus 14. So we have 86 envelopes to go, divided by, let's say, the 21 months left if we do 4. So yes, we are going to add this in. I am so very proud of us, seeing all of this envelopes get thicker and thicker, thicker and thicker, and seeing this pile decrease. Like, look at this. Whew. Well, it's technically this. So look at that. Yes, so excited, super duper duper excited for this. But yeah, I will see you in the next video. Comment down below what savings challenge you are doing currently. How are you doing in your savings challenge? Has it been great? I hope for a great savings for you. I hope that you have a great savings challenge and you reach all the goals. Which savings challenge are you doing? I'm currently doing the 100 envelope challenge, Saveopoly, 1K in 12 weeks, and the nickel challenge. So that's 4 savings challenge currently. Everything will be linked down below, what I use and everything. But let me know how your saving challenge is going. Let's chat in the comments. Once again, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.